Are you looking to build a website for your house cleaning business, but you want to do a little research and figure out which is the best platform for you now and long term? Awesome. That's what we're going to cover in this video. So even if you've never built a website before, or if you already have one and you're looking to make a switch, this video is for you. We're just going to break down 5 of the best website builders for house cleaning businesses so that you can pick the perfect one based on where your business is at and what you're looking for. So let's jump right in. So today we're talking about a crucial tool for house cleaning business, finding the perfect website builder. So whether you're just starting out or looking to revamp, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. So when it comes to website builders, there are several key players we'll discuss today. We've got Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, WordPress, and of course, Mighty Sites. Each has its unique pros and cons, and especially for a house cleaning business. So first up, Mighty Sites. Mighty Sites is really great for a simple professional website. It starts at just $9 a month to create a simple website for your business. It has a gallery page, testimonials, the ability to add and edit photos. It's linked to 5 million stock photos that you can use. You can easily upload images, client reviews, all types of things. Now, one of the best things about this is that the website will auto-generate for you as soon as you plug in your information. So no confusing website builder, drag and drop. If you're just looking for something simple, affordable, and attractive for your business, the $9 a month Mighty Sites website, you really can't go wrong. Okay, the only con is that it's more templated. So if you really want to get in there and spend hours customizing something to exactly your look and feel, Mighty Sites probably isn't for you. This is for folks that want something that's going to do a good job representing them professionally online and also be easy to use. Next up is Wix. It's also known for its ease of use and creating lots of stunning templates, but it is more complicated than Mighty Sites. So on the pro side, Wix offers drag and drop functionality, so it makes it really user-friendly to make a custom website. It has a variety of templates that you can pick the perfect one for a service-based business like house cleaning, plus it's SEO friendly. The downside, once you choose a template and start customizing, it maybe seems affordable at first, but as soon as you get into the add-ons, the cost can really add up. Next is Squarespace. Squarespace is all about design and aesthetics. So on the pro side, Squarespace templates are really visually stunning and they're mobile friendly, and you can showcase a lot of high quality image on them. They also have built-in marketing tools. Now, personally, I don't think it's as intuitive as Wix for beginners, and the page speed can kind of slow down if you load too many images, which maybe creates not the best experience for your customers. Moving on to Weebly. This is more simple and affordable. So it's pretty budget friendly, not as budget friendly as Mighty Sites, but more budget friendly than the others, and it has a pretty straightforward interface. So it's good for a small business that needs something simple, no frills website, but wants a little bit more customization than what Mighty Sites can offer. It also has fewer design options though, and less functionality compared to Wix and Squarespace. So keep that in mind based on where you think that sweet spot is for your business. And last but not least, let's talk about WordPress. This is a powerhouse of customization. On the pro side, WordPress offers literally limitless customization with thousands of themes and plugins. It's really great for SEO and for scaling your website. But the con side, the learning curve is a lot steeper. You'll probably need to manage hosting, security, and pay for extra services for a web developer to help you out. So which one should you choose for your small business? Depends on your needs. If you want simplicity and affordable professional website, go with Mighty Site. If you want something more robust, go with maybe Wix or Squarespace. If you want something in between, think about Weebly. And for ultimate customization and control, WordPress is the way to go, but the expense is going to come with it. So remember, your website is often your first impression customers have, and they're looking for a simple bit of information about your business before they contact you. So think about what works best for you. If you want to give Mighty Sites a try, the link's down below for a free trial for $9 a month. That's it. Found this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much, and catch us in the next video as we teach you how to market your business to grow it as much as possible and get clients for your house cleaning service. We'll catch you in the next video.